take up a movie with that one.
I am taking a movie. Can you show us how you can eat your noodles like you did when you were a baby? Good job. Hi Gideon, you like your noodles too? Nom nom.
Okay.
You gonna use the chopsticks?
Yeah.
Good job.
Mommy, say how you can drink your chai like you when you were a baby.